All right, the sun is rising later and later, 7:03 this morning, and certainly going down earlier and earlier. Yes, we're in the thick of it, and that means darkness.
Oh, and we haven't even set the clocks back yet.
But not to worry, there's a company in Connecticut that wants to not only light up your life, but your house, too. With so many great outdoor lights, Connecticut Lighting is the place to be.
From floodlights to decorative lights to landscape lighting, now is the time to install these beacons of light before it gets too cold and too dark.
Hi, everybody. I'm here with Todd Director, Vice-President of Connecticut Lighting. Nice to see you, Todd.
Good to see you.
Pleasure. We're talking about outdoor lighting.
Absolutely.
It's getting dark earlier now. We got Halloween coming up, daylight savings time coming up.
Absolutely.
Want to make sure that our houses are lit really properly and for safety concerns as well.
Yeah, tons of safety concerns, you know, and this is a big time for us for landscape lighting.
That's because the ground is still pliable before the snow starts to fly.
We have so many different types of ways, and there's tons of different ways to do landscape lighting. It's almost like art. So landscape lighting is done with low voltage cable. So it can be done, you can call an electrician and get it done. It's very simple. You know, if you want to graze your house or, you know, just light up the facade of your house, just a really awesome look. And you can do it for really reasonable numbers.
When I see a house that's lit up,
yeah.
I mean, it makes such a difference. Architecturally speaking, it just makes the whole house look so beautiful.
It makes the house pop.
It really does.
And then aside from that, you can also incorporate, you know, walkway lights. So if you have a walkway that, you know, doesn't get much light at night, especially, you know, around Halloween and stuff like that, and people will be using your walkway, you know, it's just really nice to light it up as the path goes.
Okay.
Todd says the best thing to do if you're thinking about outdoor lights, bring pictures of your house with you so the professionals at Connecticut Lighting know what they're working with.
When it gets into the options, I mean, you can see the really options are endless. And what we try to do here is we try to make this a demo area, but we also try to give you all the attributes about all the different products.
Decorative outdoor lighting is next.
Decorative outdoor lighting, Todd, huge.
It is huge, and again, you know, now's the time to do it.
And this whole display is made in the USA.
So we have 3 different vendors here. We have Hubbard & Forge here, which Hubbard & Forge, they have an outside finish. Every single fixture they make, outdoor, unconditional lifetime finish.
Wow.
So that's Hubbard & Forge.
And where are they?
Hubbard & Forge is out of Vermont.
Vermont, okay.
So they're out of Vermont. You have another company here called Northeast Lantern. They're actually out of New Hampshire. Again, all of their product is made out of solid brass. Hubbard & Forge typically uses hand-forged iron with a special powder-coated finish. These guys, everything is handmade out of solid brass. And then the company over here is right here in Connecticut, a company called Brass Traditions. They're in Terryville, Connecticut. Everything is handmade by their craftsmen, hand-finished, and again, all solid brass materials, you know, made right here in Connecticut.
That's wonderful.
Wouldn't they look amazing on your home? And last but not least, floodlights. If you're trying to cover a large area of your home with light, you don't need a big old bulb. That's what LED is all about.
Todd, floodlights important for safety as well, again.
Absolutely, and again, you know, we can look down here at like the old school floodlight that you see on a lot of people's homes, that they're still viable, but now they're with LED, again, there's all these different small, compact, because now we're not making things around a light bulb, now it's around an LED chip. You look at the output on some of these things, it is just incredible. I'll turn one of these puppies on for you.
Wow.
I mean, if you see how bright these things are, it is just, it's amazing. So again, that's 53 watts compared to a 500 watt halogen. So the light throw is just incredible. That'll light up so much area. You put that on a side of your house at 10 feet, you're gonna light up 50, 60 feet.
That's a floodlight.
Absolutely.
Yeah, I like that lighting. All right, for all of your lighting needs, check out ConnecticutLighting.com and tell them Better Connecticut sent you. Happy fall, everyone, and happy darkness early.